Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from crypto.com to Cash App. For that, you need to first of all come to your crypto.com app and then you just have to simply log in into your account. After that, tap on the accounts tab in the bottom and select the crypto wallet option. Then you need to select the transfer button and then you need to select the withdraw option. Afterwards, as we want to send our crypto, which is Bitcoin, from crypto.com to some another application, which is Cash App, among the given options, you need to select the external wallet option. After that, tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and tap on wallet addresses. After selecting it, it will show you all of the cryptocurrencies that you can send from crypto.com. Now over here among these you just have to select Bitcoin. Then it will ask you to provide the Bitcoin address in this section and you can even scan the QR code. Now in order to get this address, you just have to simply launch your Coinbase app or basically your Cash App application. Then you need to tap on the money tab in the bottom left hand corner. Then you need to select the Bitcoin title and tap the airplane button. Then you need to tap on the receive button and add the amount. Then you need to tap to send your QR code or show your QR code to the sender, and you just have to simply use that QR code from Cash App. After that, you just have to tap on this scan icon and then you just have to scan the QR code of Bitcoin. After that, in the wallet name section, you just have to type the wallet name and press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount that you want to send from your crypto.com application, and then you just have to simply initiate and confirm your withdrawal transaction. This way you will be able to get your Bitcoin from crypto.com to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.